I ran into this last week. He is what fixed it for me. If you're looking to activate notifications on your Barclays account, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Log into your account. Open the Barclays app or website and enter your login credentials. Make sure you have your two-factor authentication method ready if prompted. Step 2. Navigate to Settings. Once logged in, look for the Settings menu, usually represented by the icon. Click on it to access your account preferences. Step 3. Select Notifications. In the Settings menu, find the Notifications section. This is where you can manage all your notification preferences. Step 4. Enable desired notifications. You will see a list of notification types, such as transaction alerts or account updates. Toggle on the notifications you want to receive. Step 5. Save changes. After selecting your preferences, make sure to save your changes. Look for a Save or Apply button at the bottom of the screen. Remember, if you don't see the notifications, you want to check your app permissions to ensure notifications are allowed. Happy banking!